Hello friends, my name is Mehek. Today we will cut some fruits and vegetables, and here is our plate. So here is everything ready. So let's put the pan over there so we can cut some fruits and vegetables. So this time we are gonna use a kind of knife. It's really sharp, of course. This pink one, because let's try the pink one again, because pink one's big ones. I'm a girl. This is a boy. It's for girls and not for boys. Sorry, but if you're a girl, fine. Watch this video to the last place. Don't scroll, please. I'm trying my best to make more subscribers. Please don't get from my video. I will show you. I will try more to make more fun videos with you. Okay, let's start cutting. First, let's cut our red chili pepper. No, it's a boring one. So let's cut our fresh star fruit. Let's cut it in slices. Yeah. Our star fruit is cut by a normal slice. Our star fruit is done, and star fruits are like stars. So let's sing the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Can you sing it with me? Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Yo! Let's put the star fruits there. So next is gonna be eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, it's a pineapple. I love pineapples because they're really yummy. Pineapple. It's yummy, yummy. Kidding. Yeah. Done. Next is gonna be this fruit. Let's cut it into slices. Oopsie. I cut my hand. It's okay. Oops, it fell from my side. Okay, let's pick it up and cut it again. Yeah, yay! Yeah. Yay! I'm like a robot. Okay, let's join our next vegetable. Not giant means not giant. It's gonna be cut. I'm gonna cut the real pumpkin. Not raw pumpkin. It's a pumpkin. It's like some flowers. See? I am a flower. I am a flower. No one likes me. Okay. Next is gonna be a broccoli. Delicious. Yum. Okay, our next one is gonna be a guava. Yay! Guavas are yummy. Yum. Let's joint it now. 3, 2, 1, joint. Again, another one. 3, 2, 1, joint. 3, 2, 1, joint. Our next one. 3, 2, 1, joint. This one too. Oh, it's gonna be 2. Bye. Joint it up. Finally, you.